Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I have a little bit of an unboxing to share with you. I was asked if I would like to receive a sort of little rack from one of my subscribers. Her name is Jana, and she sent me this lovely box. It was a nice box. I did get a little bit damaged from the rain since I wasn't home when it was delivered, hence why everything's outside of the box. However, I didn't look at everything, so I have it covered now with the tissue paper she used. And this was delivered before Halloween. I'm just getting around to filming it and unboxing it because I had work trips to go to. So let's get into the nice goodies and we'll see what we have here. So she also did have this nice crinkle paper, which is super holiday themed of Halloween. So let's do this. Okay, so I don't know how it was packaged in the box because I wasn't the first one home to check on it. So there's this little package here that says, "Hope you enjoy your goodies. This was fun, Jana," which is adorable. This purple bag's really fun too. I like purple a lot for Halloween, especially with the orange. I think it's such a unique combo. So then there's also 2 pocket letters, a little box, and then some washi tape. I guess we'll look at the washi tape first, which matches this washi tape on here, which I think is kind of fun. Let me move more into frame. So this is some Recollections washi tape. We got some spiders and I think moths on the left, and then spider web on the right. I'm not afraid of spiders, but they're definitely not my fave. But spider webs don't bother me, so cute, like that. And then her little note. And I'm going to actually sending her a gift back. It's like a little swap. I also don't want to rip this bag because it's super cute. Also, that's just my camera strap. I didn't mean for that to fall over into this frame. So let me open this gently so we can keep the bag intact if possible. As you guys know, I've done a couple pocket letter swaps before, but not too many. And she looks like there's some extra goodies in here. Okay, and then we have her beautiful message on this side still. So we have these Recollections paper clips, but they're like little, they look like little medallions. So one says Hocus Pocus, one says Boo. We have a cat and a ghost. This cat's really cute. As you guys know, I have 2 cats. Technically 4, but 2 are my cats and 2 are my parents' cats. So this is super cute. I didn't actually go anywhere, any craft stores for like the Halloween season, so I haven't seen any of this stuff. And then we also have some cute glitter bats again from Recollections. And these are actually glitter, which is fun. I'm going to set these over here. Next we'll open the big box because I'm curious because it's very heavy. So again, this has just got some washi tape on it. And you can see it says Ghost Stories, which I assume this is also from Michaels. But it could, I know there was some Target ones that made this design as well. So it's just some cute candy. How cute is that? I didn't get like any candy for Halloween because we didn't, we don't get trick-or-treaters, and we also don't have, I was at work, so this is some fancy organic candy corn. That's hilarious. Jelly beans, eyeballs. I assume these might be gumballs or jawbreakers, which is fun. Gummy bears, different little gummies. Oh, those are gummy candies, ghostly gummies. I haven't heard of those. Another eyeball, and then some candy corn M&Ms, which I've never had these, but I do like candy corn, so I'll have to try those sometime soon. So cute. You guys, this is just so much. I'm going to set that aside. Can't wait to eat those later, let's be honest. And now we're going to open the pocket letters. So one's Halloween themed, and then she also knows that I love Disney, so there's a Disney one here, which was a total surprise. I'm really excited for that one. So I don't know how to open a pocket letter because I'm incompetent on pocket letter etiquette. I see that there's a package wrapped around it, which thank goodness she wrapped everything so nicely because it was sitting in the rain. I was so mad because I got another delivery that day from FedEx or UPS, and they put the box inside of a bag like any normal person would, but UPS just left the box out in the rain. I was like so mad. Okay, how do I not? Okay, wait, maybe it just slides out. I did it. Okay, now let's make sure we don't dump anything. So there's a little band across the middle. Monster goodies, trick or treat. Cute. Is this in the way? Maybe I'll close it up. Here we go. Now, I don't want to untie it because it's cute, but I also don't want to knock anything off. Okay, hopefully it'll just slide off. There we go. So let's unravel. Oh, look how cute this is. And there's no glare. I changed my lights around, so if you guys notice that there's less glare this way, please let me know in the comments down below. Oh, she even put my name on it. Guys, this is so cute. This cat is adorable. I also like this little witch. I wonder what brand she is. Is that weird to say? Brand. I love like the giddy spookiness of this. I have this washi tape. This is so fun. Isn't this just so pretty to look at? Is this also wood veneer? That's really cool. I like how my name's on it. And then I see all the Tim Holtz pieces. And there's even some stickers up here, some little jewels. I like this little October 31st. I'm still in the Halloween spirit because I actually had to dress up for Halloween after, for work after Halloween, because that's when our party was. So we have a little washi tape tag up here. Again, sorry if I was off frame. Super cute. Love these pumpkin ones. I love little pumpkins. We have these really fun multicolored eyeballs, guys. I think they're kind of like googly eyes, but they don't google, they're just 3D. Some adorable 3D pumpkins. I wonder if these are by, I think Hallmark or American Greetings does puffy stickers that kind of look like that. We have some glitter die cuts, some foam pumpkins, and then some jewels. These glittered pumpkins. Oh, we have a sequin mix. Let's pull that out because that looks very intriguing. It's in a nice little baggie. This is much easier than doing a shaker pocket. I'll have to take some notes on this. So there's little jack-o'-lanterns in there, some little hexagons. I think they're hexagons, purple, green stars. Let's do an up close of this if I can. You know how this camera is sometimes. And also metallics, it doesn't do well. Maybe. There we go. So you can see it's chilling on the top of this little baggie. If I turn it over, you can kind of see the jack-o'-lanterns in there. How cute is that? So cute. So I'm just going to tuck that back in. I'm so glad everything made it in one piece too. Okay, I can't tuck it back in. I made it too chubby at the bottom. Okay, and then down here we have some die cuts. We have pumpkin, Frankenstein. Now these look very, I don't know what design this looks like to me. These are like thick, like chipboardy almost. This could be a lot of different designers, honestly. I have no idea. And we have a glitter skull, a little ghosty Frankenstein, a little pirate pumpkin. How cute is that? Oh, this is also exciting. This is like the best pocket letter I've ever received. This is the first Halloween pocket letter I've ever received. Usually you don't do super themey ones, and then the little stickers up here. Guys, this is so cute. This is like something you want to frame and put on your wall, you know what I mean? So I'm going to set the Halloween one aside and take a little fancy look into this Disney themed one. Anybody else excited? I didn't know she was going to send me this. Which now makes me want to do a Disney one because that's like a great idea. Let's see what we got in here. If I can get it out. There we go. I also don't know if I'm doing that part right. Maybe you're supposed to keep it on. I don't know. I'm unraveling it the wrong way. So here's the front. Lots of different brands on here. I really like that. I haven't seen some of this stuff before either. Like this paper is new to me. I don't know where this is from. She sent me some die cuts. Guys, I have so many Disney albums to do. This is amazing. This is great inspiration. I could put this in my Disney album. Wouldn't that be so cool? It's so pretty. And it's like perfect. It just screams Disney like it should. It's absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this Mickey head in the camera. So cute. Okay. Wowza. Echo Park frames, little die cut. Oh, the washi tape. These acetate tags, I don't know where you got them or what they're from, but these are awesome. I like those a lot. Mickey, I've never seen these washi tapes. I don't have any polka dots like this. Absolutely perfect. This needs to go in my Disney album. I've decided. I think I've decided. We have some little chip pieces in here. I don't know if I can get them out easily. I just don't want to rip the pockets. I haven't seen these ones. This is my favorite place on earth. Okay, it looks like these might have been part of a pattern paper. Good Times, Goofy Times, Meeting the Mouse, which I did. And then Love Today, and a little castle. And if you guys didn't know, I have a Disney series on my channel called Designing Disney, where I film my process videos for my Disney albums. I'm still working on my first Disney album, but yet again, I've been a lot of times when I was a child, so I can always go back and do those ones if I haven't gone recently. She sent me some beautiful chipboard pieces. Today was a fun day. Again, I haven't seen some of this stuff ever before. Little record. Cute. And then some more die cuts. And then this is washi tape, I believe. Oh no, these are stickers. I thought it was like a alphabet washi tape. Oops, I'm gonna mess this up. I need to keep them in order. or it's going to be very difficult to use later. That's absolutely amazing. And they're perfect red. That's like the perfect shade of red. That's often a problem I have with Disney when I try to use outside items, is that it's never the right shade of red. You know, that Disney red, the bright primary red color. Awesome. I'm overwhelmed with how beautiful these things are. And then these giant puffy stickers and the little rhinestones. And these Echo Park bows. I think they're Echo Park. Don't quote me on that. And then the frames. I never buy chipboard frames, so those will be really fun to work with. Guys, I'm so excited. Doesn't this just make you want to scrapbook Disney? Makes me want to scrapbook Disney. And she jam-packed so much in here, guys. I'm so overwhelmed with everything. It's so beautiful. And I love these word stickers from Tim Holtz. I've been saving the ones like these that are in my packages to use on the Disney ones. Like A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes, like super Disney. I've never seen this paper. I believe I've seen this paper, but I don't know where it's from. Or this I Heart Mickey, or this one. These are just so cool and unique. I haven't seen half this stuff. She said she had a lot of fun making it, both of these, which again, I didn't know there was a second one coming, but I absolutely love the Halloween one, and I'm glad there was something else besides Halloween since this is going about after Halloween, but she said I could film me unboxing. And I'm so glad everything came safely despite the rain. And I just can't wait to send her some fun goodies now. She sent some high standards with these. Like, look at all the washi tape she used. You guys might have seen my process video for my first pocket letter that I did, which was really fun to work on. And I sent that to a different pen pal. But, oh my god, look at this beautiful work. It's so cute. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Jana for sending me these beautiful items and even the extra goodies. Can you guys just even, oh, the candy, don't forget about the candy. She spoiled me. I can't wait to send her some fun stuff afterwards. I take it she likes candy corn, but maybe not, because she sent me so many candy corn things, but I'm so glad that I like candy corn. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a candy corn person or what your favorite candy is in honor of Halloween being like, what, 2 weeks ago? Let's just have fun with candy anyway. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll have Jana's Instagram link down below, so you guys can check out her work. And I think that's it for this unboxing. Thank you again so much, Jana, especially if you're watching this. I had a really fun time looking at all this stuff and, of course, making eventually what I'm going to send you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know. If you want to see more unboxings like this with my pen pals, let me know. I think you guys would like that. But, of course, I want to know your opinion. Thank you guys again so much for watching this semi-late video. I wanted to get up earlier, but, you know, with the scheduling and everything. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!